Hi, my name is Marie Abigail Bacalso Rembo. I embark on an incredible journey with Naxum, and today I am excited to share my Shiro story with you. So I joined the Naxum family on November 22, 2022, and it has been a transformative experience ever since. It all started with a dear friend of mine and now a colleague, HRC Rika. She introduced me to Naxum. So little did I know that this introduction would lead me to a path of self-discovery and empowerment. Naxum has truly been a game changer in my life. Not only has it expanded my skill sets, but it has also installed a newfound confidence within me. So the supportive and nurturing environment that Naxum has allowed me to fearlessly tackle any challenges that has come my way, both in my personal and professional life. So beyond the technical aspects, Naxum has deeply impacted my journey by fostering a sense of belonging. I am proud to be a part of a diverse and inclusive community that celebrates individuality and encourages every member to thrive. So Naxom's commitment to personal growth has led me to strike that elusive balance between my career and personal aspirations. So the mentorship and guidance I've received from my colleagues have empowered me to set ambitious goals and work relentlessly to achieve them. So to be a Shiro at Naxom is not just about skills. It's about embodying a mindset of continuous growth and resilience. It takes the courage to embrace opportunities, the determination to overcome obstacles, and the willingness to step outside your comfort zone. So a hero to me is someone who leads with empathy, listens with intention, and lifts others along the way. So it's about fostering a collaborative spirit, supporting fellow team members, and being a driving force for positive change. So to my fellow heroes and future heroes, let's rise to the challenge. Let's harness our potential, break through barriers, and make an incredible mark on the world around us. So once again, my name is Abby, and I am a hero and HRC of Naxos. Thank you.